Hello, viewers of Good Talent. My name is Akasili Rehema Biremie, welcoming you all to the daily news. News headlines: Bobi Wine questions extrajudicial killing of terror suspects. DJ Nimrod subjected to community work after release from Chitalia. Paul Saka threatens to sue SWIZZY over plagiarizing Omlembe Omtebi song. FELLASIA's YouTube accounts lost to hackers. SANYO treated to a surprise bridal shower by close friends. News in details. Bobi Wine questions extrajudicial killing of terror suspects. The leader of National Unity Platform (NUP), Robert Kyagulanyi, also known as Bobi Wine, has said the rampant killing of suspects by security under the pretext that they were resisting arrest needs to be scrutinized. Kyagulanyi made the remarks shortly after the death of Sheikh Abbas Muhammad, also known as Sheikh Chilevu, who was put out of action on November 18th in Insanji by security. Fred Enanga, the police spokesman, claimed Chilevu was killed as a result of resisting arrest. While Ugandans understand the importance of keeping their country safe and holding accountable those who harm innocent citizens, Kyagulanyi said he is deeply concerned about the extrajudicial execution of the alleged terror suspects. Kyagulanyi said in a statement that this has gone on for far too long, adding that it started with suspects in the attack of General Katumba Wamala and stretched all the way to the latest victim. It is unfortunate that most of the victims are Muslims. Thanks to the unfortunate stereotype the state has created about our brothers and sisters who profess the Islamic religion, said Kyagulanyi. Kyagulanyi explained that the Constitution, which guarantees the right of every suspect to due process of the law, no matter the gravity of their alleged offense, must be upheld at all costs and in all circumstances. Shooting dead suspects in offenses of this nature without subjecting them to the legal process simply creates suspicion in the eyes of the ordinary citizens about the regime complicity in the crimes, he said. DJ Nimrod subjected to community work after release from Chitalia. Galaxy FM radio presenter DJ Nimrod, born Nambeta Nimrod, who was arrested a week ago for flouting the presidential directives on curfew, is now a free man after being released from jail on Friday 19th, 2021. DJ Nimrod was released from jail after spending a week behind bars with his workmate Detach Scalaman after being arrested from their boss's Bar 991 launch the past weekend. The pair were subjected to community work at the court premises starting Monday 22 November 2021 for 3 hours each day for a full week. Their boss Innocent Nahebwa was also present during the court session and openly cleared the air about his arrest, saying his case was not similar to that of DJ Nimrod and the company. Innocent Nahebwa stressed that he was arrested because he is the owner of the bar, but he had just turned up to rescue Nimrod and his other staff members who were arrested. Paul Saka threatens to sue SWIZZY over plagiarizing Omlembe Omtebi song. Helicopter Entertainment crew boss Nicholas Mukalazi, also known as SWIZZY, in the line to face a trial after allegedly plagiarizing songwriter and talent manager Paul Saka's song Omlembe Omtebi that he wrote for Wudo Senior Secondary School. The furious Paul Saka threatened to drag SWIZZY to the courts of law over plagiarizing his artistic works without his permission, saying he is unhappy with the singer's act of playing with a huge song of such a magnitude. Speaking to Bukeda TV, Paul Saka explained that he wrote the song during Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi's second 2005 coronation ceremony, a song that he loved and appreciated very much to the extent that he invited the Budo School choir to sing along. He invited them before and he is he was ushering the Parliament of Buganda in Mengo that year. Paul Saka stressed that he has already contacted his lawyers to take legal action against SWIZZY for playing in his content without his knowledge. He later advised SWIZZY to either rush very fast and change the song so that it does not flow in the rhythm of his song before being served with an intention to sue the Dutchman. Well, we will wait to see how things unfold by the end of the start of next week as we keep you posted. Felicia's YouTube account lost to hackers. Young star Felicia the superstar, real name Nyanzi Faith, is the latest celebrity to suffer the wrath of social media hackers. The singer's dad in the recent interview disclosed that his daughter's YouTube channel was deleted by an unknown person from the streaming app. He narrated that not only Felicia's YouTube channel was deleted by the social media hackers, went ahead and took over the girl's Facebook and Instagram accounts, to which she often uses to connect with her fans while online. While speaking to NBS TV Uncut show, Felicia's dad noted that they have tried each and every means to recover the girl's YouTube channel, but their efforts have not yielded any fruits, as the only opinion they have remained with is to create a new YouTube channel. The two are feeling hurt after losing the account because it was at least paying them some money that had helped them survive during the lockdown. For the case of Facebook and Instagram accounts, they are doing all they can to recover them since the hacker has not changed the page names. Cindy SANYO treated to a surprise bridal shower by close friends. Uganda Musicians Association interim president Cinderella SANYO Munyongo, also known as Cindy SANYO, was treated to a surprise bridal shower by her close friends and family members. She was treated to a surprise party after being hoodwinked by her elder sister, who lied to her that they were going to meet one of their friends' uncle who has a big office in the government to contribute some money to her marital ceremonies that's scheduled for next month. Cindy SANYO first declined to fall for the idea and requested that the money be sent to her via mobile money, but when she was well convinced that their friend's uncle wants to see her personally and hand over the money to her, she accepted to go. On arrival at the venue where she was to meet the friend's uncle, she was surprised to find a number of her friends dined for a dinner that was celebrating her bridal shower. The boom party singer got so excited and left in disbelief that her very close friends could go behind her and throw her a party without her knowledge. When asked why she did not hold a baby shower in the first place, she responded saying that she hates baby showers deeply, reasoning that some bad-hearted people could attend the party with negative emotions. That's what we have for you today. I'd like to end here, calling upon our viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to like our Facebook page, to tap at the notification bell, to comment to our videos, to share them everywhere possible. Thank you.